Hey people, welcome back to another video on MoneyWave. Have you lately had investment thoughts, but you don't know where to start or even where to invest? Don't worry, because today we will have discussed the rights and wrongs of investing, because this investing decision will make you rich. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, do drop a like to this video. Alright now, let's begin. Number 8, start small. Never fall for getting rich quick schemes. They're mostly fraud and will eat up your saved money. Investment takes time. It wants you to be patient, and guess what? The fruit is very sweet. It is also important that you do not go all in with your money. You should always start on a small scale, and you will see your investments grow. Most rich people start with very little and work their way up, so there is always hope for you. Remember that saving up and investing are two completely different things. Save your money and start investing in small amounts. Number 7, diversify your assets. For investors, they must diversify their portfolio. A rich person always makes sure to invest in multiple assets, and this strategy is a game changer in investment. You can do this by looking into different markets and investing in several things. This assures you that in a distraught time when one of your investments die, the other assures you. It is also not advisable generally to put all your money in one venture. You should also consider stocks, bonds, and real estate. Real estate, however, is a bit difficult and it requires huge capital in the beginning, but if you have no problem with that, then real estate is your best choice. Number 6, emerging markets. Another thing you're advised to do is look out for new arenas. We know that real estate and stocks are there, but what about the emerging ventures that have the potential to change the world and have an impact globally? For example, when Zuckerberg created Facebook, he had plenty of investors lined in front of him, Yahoo being one of them. It can be daunting when you don't necessarily know what the future holds for that particular investment, but it is a good deal. You should have a keen eye and an ability for the potential when it comes to your doorsteps. Number 5, start early. One of the best things one can do from a very early age is investing. You might be thinking why investing at an early age is so vital. Here's an answer for you. Investments are tied close to compound interest. Once you start early, the more money you're likely to get. It is because the investment follows the principle of compound interest, which is interest on interest. So the more money you invest over time, the more money you'll receive by the end of it all. Number 4, retirement. Nobody wants their retirement spent worrying about money because that is what they have done their whole life. And in all honesty, your retirement should be a very peaceful time in your life. How will you ensure that you have plenty of money saved up to finally breathe a carefree breath? Your investments will make sure you meet your monetary goals. This will not only benefit you, but your future generations as well. Number 3, private markets. There are numerous reasons why you should be more interested in the private sector rather than the public. Public markets are often mismanaged, tedious, and there is a general lack of leadership and decision-making. The private sector, on the other hand, has this competitive environment that ensures a sense of leadership and makes more profits in general. This will give you more opportunities for your resources, while the public markets mishandling the business will lead to a waste of your assets. Number 2, new opportunities. Even if you have your goal, you can still look for investment opportunities. A lot of rich people do this. They reach their targeted wealth but look for new doors to explore and stretch their finish mark even longer. This provides you with an opportunity of experience and, has been said before, diversifies your portfolio. A poor person may not be so keen about this idea, as there are limitations to their resources, and it takes them years and years to save up. This is why you should start early rather than wasting any more time. Number 1, the right attitude. There is one thing you need to do to have even more than others. It is the correct attitude towards life and towards the goals you have made for yourself. There are people who from the beginning feel hopeless and do not believe in themselves enough to make it. With this preset in mind, they are likely to fail in comparison to a person who has a positive mind, and a person with a positive attitude will always look at failures as opportunities or life lessons, and since they are keen to learn, they will most likely make a better life for themselves, and that is what makes the person rich. Hope you learned a lot, make better decisions for yourself, and take care. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't liked the video yet, do it. It's never too late. Give it a thumbs up, people. We will see you soon in another video. Until then, take care and goodbye.